So hi guys, how are you? I am Sankalpita and I am back in my YouTube channel with another book review of a very interesting book which I recently got to read. Now this book is called Love by the Way. It's written by Bhavna Arora. I'm just gonna show you. Yes, so this is the book and it's written by Bhavna Arora. It's published by Penguin Random House and I just recently got a copy a couple of days back. It's a recently launched book. So I just got a copy a couple of days back and seeing the cover, it's like quite tantalizing. So I just couldn't resist, catching up with it and I immediately sat down to read it. So the story is about two women, Zara and Rihanna, who come across each other by a chance encounter. They were leading a very different life when they met each other and they had their own share of relationships. So Zara is a very reserved girl. She had a very troublesome relationship in the past and because of that troubled relationship she has a fear of new relationships, so she's really afraid to commit, afraid to fall in love and afraid to even date somebody, while Rihanna on the other hand, she also had a very terrible experience in her childhood, and that is the reason she takes men very lightly. So she's not the commitment sort of girl, but she, yeah, you can she likes to enjoy. So these two girls are really different, but then the friendship which they have in between them, it's really beautiful. And the story talks about their life and their past life also, and in between the narration there are snippets of their past, but the secrets which they are hiding from each other and which they're hiding from society, it's very tantalizingly thrown in between the narration. So the readers keep guessing what is their secret, but it is only revealed in the end. So that is one thing which kept me hooked onto the book right till the end. The writing style is fun, writing is breezy, and the language is also kept very simple. And so I like the characters a lot. Both of these girls have their own identity. They are, the urban professional contemporary women, and they have a very fantastic career ahead of them, and they are ruling their lives, they're living their lives as they want on their own terms. So that is something which is really inspiring for contemporary Indian women, and somehow in the end bisexuality comes into play, and that is what the book is actually all about. It is like, it's very smartly named By the Way, Love by the Way. So I am not going to delve deeper into this because that is for you to read, you to know the story, and you to discover the actual secret. But yeah, I can say it was a pleasant read, and I would recommend it to all my readers. I would especially recommend it to all women who are fond of contemporary women fiction, urban fictions. So this is one such book, and if you're looking for erotica or sex, so this is not your book to be. It is neither romance, though it can be roughly classified as a romance cum chick lit, but it's basically not a hardcore romance or a hardcore chick lit, if you can call it that. Such a different story, it's a fresh story, and I hope you will enjoy it. I personally enjoyed it a lot. So I would recommend it to all women readers, especially readers who are fond of contemporary women fiction or urban fictions. And I personally enjoyed it. I liked it a lot, and on my BookGeeks website also I have rated it 4 out of 5 stars. So that obviously says that I recommend this read, and if you have read the book and are about to read it, do let me know your comments about the book, and any questions that you might have about the book. I'll be glad to answer them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And that's it from me. Bye.